Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to fix Black Ops 6 DirectX crash error. Alright, let's begin. First of all, you will need to turn your textures to low or very low. Now, this could solve your problem right away. So before you do anything else, simply go inside the game, make sure your textures are set to low or very low. Then try to play the game and see if it still crashes for you. If it doesn't, that's great. But if it does, proceed to the next step. Now, the second thing you can do is, if you're playing on Steam, you should verify the integrity of game files. And the way you do this is actually by going to your library and then looking for your Call of Duty game. I don't have installed the Call of Duty 6, so I will tell you the steps. Simply, want to right-click on your Call of Duty game, click on Properties, and then you want to go to Installed Files and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. This will scan all the files that are connected to the game, and if there are any bad files in there, it will fix those and reinstall them right away. So this will take just a few minutes or perhaps even a few seconds if everything is fine, and you can then try playing the game and seeing if that works. The next method would be to run the game in safe mode. So the way you do this is by going to the library and finding your game over here. Then right-click it, press Properties, and under General, you will see Launch Options. Now, type in -safe, and once you do this, try launching the game. If that didn't work, what you can do is uninstall the game, delete it from your Steam folder, and reinstall it again. Now, this actually is quite a nice fix. So what you want to do is go to Steam, right-click on your game, click Properties, and then go to Installed Files. Here, click on the Browse button, and this will open up your File Explorer. Now, you just need to get to the common folder and leave it as it is. After you've done this, you want to uninstall the game by clicking the gear button, select Manage, and then select Uninstall. Once done, go back to that folder we just opened, and if the folder is still in here, you want to delete it completely. After that, reinstall the game, as you would with any Steam game. Now, the last option you have is to install the game to a different drive. Sometimes it may be installed to a drive it doesn't support, like an HDD. So, you can still try to install the game to a different drive and try to fix it that way. So that's basically how you can fix Black Ops 6 DirectX crash error. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.